So welcome back to the channel. This is an upgrade we did for a client. He was using 5 kVA 24 volt before, so we had to upgrade to 5 kVA 48 volts. So we just connected the DC breaker and the DC surge that controls the charge from the panel. We've done battery connections already. You can see it's a 48 volt system. So we connected 4 batteries in series. That's 48 volt. So this is testing and looking if it's actually charging from the controller. As you can see, the controller is on because I just turned on the breakers. You can see the voltage from the battery is 50 volts. And from the panel is 108 volts. That's the panel voltage. And the light that is green shows you that it's charging, it's entering. So that's it. You can see it's a 12 volt battery. So 4 of them will give you 48 volts. Which is enough to power your 48 volt 5 kVA system. So we just installed the changeover for bypass and for the inverter. So the changeover is actually when you want to take it away from your inverter to allow your inverter to rest. And that's the 2 inputs, the bypass and the inverter supply. So at this stage we are done with the installation.
To configure
the inverter,
the configuration,
the bypass. So I'm trying to show them how to configure the inverter so that even when the inverter is off and if the battery light is still charging, even when the inverter is off, current will still flow from the inverter to the house. Supply the house is load.
This is for lithium-ion battery.
I changed the battery system here to flood because we are using smaller battery. That's why we changed it to flood. If it was a lithium, we would use it as LID. So that's what I just did for that. That's for the display.
This is my beep.
That's beep.
One display to off after every 30 seconds.
That one is for the button to
setting
and when there's a fault, it will enable. This is to enable the backlight.
Beep. This one is
That's
for
the
beep. If you like this beep, if I remove it, if
I was trying to explain to
you
you
have excess voltage,
so
not
they
beep.
understand
That's
better
one battery. So I
why
don't
I'm doing what I'm doing.
leave that one.
So we teach, we educate. As we are installing, we grow, we develop. We are not rigid.
Then set it on panel.
Trying to build a sustainable system where everybody will know what to do and why we are doing what we do. It's already set to utility. It means that the major charge source is utility. That's the bypass. That's the last one.
That's the last one.
So
whenever I come, close to the inverter. And when you off the inverter, the battery is still charging. It's never light.
The inverter is working without never light.
Inverter.
And the only charging source the battery is receiving is from the controller. I've already set the controller already. Configuration for the controller. That is that. So this is me trying to explain to the client how it works. When you're done with the installation, you can see the beautiful system. Neat and clean job. Well tailored. When you use, you can see the voltage and current regulator. You can see the double pole AC breaker. You can see the DC breaker and the DC surge. This is a complete system. 48 volt 5 kVA system. 2.9 kilowatt storage. That's the battery. 60 amps controller. At this stage, I was trying to explain, commission the system, breaker is basically to let you know that in case you don't want the NEPA light to flow, you want to on your chair and you don't want your thing to charge your inverter, you can just turn it off. That's basically how it works. So we give you all varieties depending on what our client wants. So if you don't want us to put out for you, you tell us what you want. We are not rigid. Tell us what you want and we'll deliver accordingly, tailored to your taste. Clean and neat installation, that's what we deliver.
So you just show you that the boot is high and the air will be showing dash.
Basically, you can refer us.
On your gen now.
We travel anywhere and everywhere in Nigeria. Thank you, God bless you.